Öhlins is the industry leader in performance suspension. We're always looking to push the bar forward and set the industry standard for what's possible in the world of suspension.
Commonly referred to as a shake rig, or 7-poster, our MTS Vehicle Dynamics Simulator consists of 7 hydraulic actuators, 1 road actuator under each wheel, and 3 downforce actuators that connect directly to the vehicle's chassis. The combination of all 7 actuators makes it possible to replicate the suspension movement seen by the car on any track in the world. The road actuators are used to simulate the track surface, such as track roughness, bumps, and curbs. The downforce actuators are used to simulate loads from aerodynamics and inertial loads from banking and load transfer due to cornering, braking, or accelerating.
Any vehicle with adjustable suspension can benefit from testing on our rig. From time attack to stock cars to open wheel formula cars. You don't have to have a bunch of engineers to interpret the data from the rig. We tailor the presentation of the results to each customer. For smaller teams, we typically help interpret the results and suggest changes to the vehicle's suspension that would improve its performance.
Actually, any vehicle with any brand of adjustable suspension can test with us. Our passion here at Öhlins is racing, and we want to help you and your vehicle perform at its best, no matter the type of racing or the brand of suspension you're using.
We also don't require vehicles to have a data acquisition system. It's easy for us to generate a test file with information about the vehicle and the track provided by the team. For those vehicles that do have data acquisition, we can use it to simulate a lap or a section of a track they have data from.
We take the data that a vehicle has obtained from going around a particular racetrack and then upload that data into our computers. With that data, combined with a computer model we generate by measuring how the car behaves on the rig, we're able to determine how we should push, pull, and shake with our 7 shake rig actuators.
This makes the suspension move in the same way it did on the racetrack. The beauty of testing in our controlled environment is that we don't have any of the external variables to worry about, such as changing weather, track temperature, tire wear, and fuel levels. By eliminating these variables, we can test the same exact lap or section of a track 100 times per day. And over the course of the day, we adjust the suspension in order to make the car faster.
As a bonus, we also do not put any miles on the engine, the gearbox, and tires, and we do not use any fuel. The risk of damaging the vehicle due to an off-track excursion is also eliminated. So a lot of our customers find that testing on the shake rig is a lot more economical for tuning the suspension than track testing. With the data measured from the simulation, such as tire load variation, a measurement of mechanical grip, we can accurately help you or your team dial in your vehicle's suspension to ensure that you are getting the best vehicle performance possible.
We can typically give you sort of a roadmap of adjustments that will help you know what to do after the test should you be at the track and experience, for example, understeer. You can look at the data and find the adjustment that will most likely fix it.
You might also walk away with the idea or two on further improvements that can be made on your car's performance. For example, we might find a sticking suspension component that hurts grip that would be next to impossible to find during track testing. No matter the vehicle or suspension, our Vehicle Dynamics Simulator can efficiently analyze and optimize your vehicle's performance, which in return helps you and your team gain a better understanding of your car's capabilities.